GOALS is an acronym for Guilford Open Access to Libraries for Students. Guilford County Schools partnered with the libraries in Guilford County so that all current students have access to a library card using their student IDs. This tutorial will show you exactly how to use the GOALS card to help you get the resources and information you need from the High Point Public Library. You can access these resources anywhere that you can get on the internet. For a limited time, the High Point Public Library will be streaming Wi-Fi in the parking lot so that students can access the internet to do their schoolwork. Using the GOALS card as your library card number is easy. When you log in, your library card number will be capital GCS, as in Guilford County Schools, and your student ID number. Your PIN number is the first two numbers of your birth month and the last two numbers of your birth year. For example, January 2002 will be 0102. The GOALS card enables students to borrow up to 10 items and 5 digital items, as well as access the library e-resources and databases. You can reserve books and movies online or over the phone to pick up at the library if you're unable to come in. You can also borrow digital books and audiobooks online. You can access our online database via NC Live for homework and projects. And you can also borrow graphic novels, magazines, and music. There are no overdue fines for GOALS accounts. However, students are responsible for fees on lost or damaged books and resources. Students can come to the library to borrow books and use the computers using their GOALS card as a library card. However, students 12 and younger must be accompanied by an adult. If you're having trouble figuring out what your Guilford County Schools student ID is, contact your school or your school library media coordinator. To find book recommendations, click on I Want To, then click Popular Destinations and scroll down to Novelist Plus. Here you can search for books by genre, appeal, theme, award winners, and audiobooks. Here are suggestions for people who are in Reader's Advisory and people who work with youth. To find a new book recommendation based on one of your favorite books, type in the title of your favorite book in the title search. The results will show you different types of read-alikes. When you click on the type of read-alike, it will give you a listing of books that are similar and reasons why they are similar. Here, there are options to find author read-alikes, title read-alikes, and series read-alikes.